What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Here I am going to share two methods which you can use right now if you are new or existing user in Temu and get amazing discount on Temu after following this video. So what you need to do is simply click the link in the description, then you will redirect it into this type of customized link. After that you are eligible to use promo code which I am going to share you right now. Now select what you want to buy, then add this code on the checkout page to get 90% off. This is first code and first method, and if this method is not working, use the method number 2. The method number 2 is left your current Temu account and create new Temu account using link in the description and new email ID in other devices which you not logging Temu before. Okay, you need to create new email ID using link in the description. You need to create new Temu account using link in the description and new email ID. Then simply select what you want to buy. Then add this code on the checkout page to get 90% discount. If you want to follow both method, you must need to use link in the description because that link is customized link and you will get amazing discount by using this link and coupon code. Go try this and you will get amazing discount on Temu, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.